Hi, how you doing? My name is Uncle Charlie and I am super excited to announce that I will be your host at the upcoming Simprosium Roadshow here in the UK. Join us at two spectacular locations in London and Manchester for a showcase of field and trade service innovation. If you're a leader in a trade business, then Simprosium is your key to unlock all the latest tricks and tips that will help your operations excel. Come along for a sneak peek at Simpro's upcoming product innovations and discover how you can use these to boost your business efficiency. Explore the expanded capabilities of Simpro's mobile app and delve into the power of data-driven decision making. We'll examine the role of AI in trade and field services and how you can use these to elevate your business. Plus, the Customer Brilliance Panel will offer amazing insights on sustainable growth from field service professionals. And most of all, enjoy networking with industry peers and Simpro partners. I look forward to seeing you there. See you soon.